Hello, my dear friends. Today we're talking about using our planner. Yesterday I showed you Kimmy's planner. Today I went ahead and ordered myself an annual planner. I've been really wanting one. This is one of the 4-month ones, which I do enjoy, and I do have for next year, but I want to try the annual one for those to see if it's going to help you. But the thing that I'm talking about the planner today is that this planner may be what you think is archaic because it's paper, but I'm going to tell you a little secret. If you are a sidetracked person, paper is so important to you. This is all seamed up so you can't lose the papers. It is tabbed so you know where things are. We're in November. There's a special date that we're on, so we can look at that and we can see exactly what we're supposed to do today. So when you're looking at this video, it's Wednesday, the Wednesday before Thanksgiving Eve. It's the 16th, and you have a list of things that you want to do if you've been using your planner, so you know what you're doing in your zone. For me, I'm cleaning the countertops in my bathroom. You know what you're supposed to be doing for your morning routine. I'm doing my morning routine, my clutter stop, some laundry, and another clutter stop. Those are happening in the morning. In the afternoon, after dinner, the after dinner routine is going to happen. The before bed routine, another clutter stop, and my final before bed routine. These things are written in my planner. I have marked off the days I've completed. On Wednesday, I have an important thing to do. I have to pay the taxes on some business property. So that has to happen today, okay? And I've written it down. I have an appointment at 7 o'clock in the evening that I have to keep. So these are things I need to know. For Wednesday, for dinner, I'm having leftovers that are frozen. Sloppy Joe pasta bake, absolutely delicious. So I have a plan for that. I have a brain dump, and in my brain dump are people that have asked me to pray for them, and I've got them written down here so I know who to pray for. If I've spent any money, I will have written it down here that says, you know what, I bought, and I did buy something today. I bought that planner. So I'm going to write, I don't have my pen right now, but it's right over there. I'm going to write in here today that I bought Kimmy's annual planner, how much it cost me, and if I needed it or wanted it. And guess what? I'm going to check both because I needed it to see how it works so I can experience that for you. And also I wanted it for me. I wanted to see what it's like to have a 2-pound and 11-ounce annual planner that I can use all year long. I want to see how that works for me. So it's important that you write things down. If you don't write things down, here's what happens. All of a sudden, you're sitting around and you're thinking, I don't know, I don't think I have anything to do. I mean, this house is a mess, but I'll do that later when I do my clutter stop. And, you know, those dishes, I can catch those later. And, you know, I'm busy with the kids right now. Kids are so important. They're all over me. I need to give them attention, right? Or whatever it is you're doing. You know, we're making excuses not to do our work because we don't quite know what our work is. And we get overwhelmed, and then the next thing you know, if you're my patron and I'm mentoring you, I'm talking to you and you're saying, Kat, I don't even know what to do. Everything is so out of control. And all I'm going to do is guide you right back to your planner. Well, let's go over your morning routine. Did you get up? Yes, Kat, I got up. Well, that's good. Did you go to the bathroom? Yeah. Well, did you stay in there until you got your morning routine done? Well, I'm not sure. Did you brush your teeth? Yeah. Did you wash your face? No. Did you comb your hair? No. Did you change out of your pajamas and put your clothes on for the day? No. Did you moisturize your skin? No. Did you swish the sink? Yeah, I did swish my sink. Did you wipe your sink? Did you swish your toilet? No. Didn't swipe my toilet. Okay. Did you make your bed? I did make my bed. Good. Did you put your pajamas away? Oh, no, they're still on me. Oh, that's right. Did you start a load of laundry this morning? Yeah, I started a load of laundry, but I can't put it in the dryer because there's clothes in the dryer and there's 3 loads sitting on the table next to the dryer. Okay. Did you go through your paper clutter? No, I haven't even begun to go through that. I know I need to. How much do you have if you were to stack it all up? Oh, I've got about 3 feet. Do you know that those 3 feet would take you exactly 6 weeks to go through if you only go through an inch a day? And in a month and a half, they'd be gone. So by the end of December, they would be gone and you wouldn't have that paper clutter anymore. Because we go through 2 feet a month by going through an inch a day, 6 days a week. I know, but I'm just too overwhelmed to do that right now. Okay, all right. Did you do a clutter stop this morning? No. And did you clean up after breakfast? No, I didn't even make breakfast. I just gave the kids cereal, and the bowls are sitting with cereal in them on the table, and melted cereal and milk. Did you eat anything? No. Did you drink anything? I had 2 cups of coffee. Did you have any water? No. Okay, well, we can see what the problem is right now. So first of all, I want you to get some water and drink it. And then you and I are going to go into the bedroom and we're going to see if there's anything left to do in there. I don't think there is. You've made your bed. Let's go in the bathroom. Let's swish and swipe. Well, you swish the sink. Let's swipe the toilet. Spray it, swish it. Tell me when you're through. Okay, good. Didn't take long. All right, now let's, you did brush your teeth, but you didn't wash your face. Let's just splash some water on your face. Did you take your makeup off last night? No. Okay, well, get your makeup remover and your pad and take your makeup off. Now let's wash your face with some water just to refresh yourself. Okay, so your makeup's gone. You've refreshed your skin. Let's put on some moisturizer, some eye cream, some moisturizer. Aren't you starting to feel a little better? I am. Okay, let's brush your hair. It looks terrible. Okay, put it in a ponytail. Okay. All right, now, did you hang your clothes behind the door last night, or are they in your bedroom? They're hanging behind the door in the bathroom. Okay, well, they're right there. So what's preventing you from putting them on? So take your pajamas off and put your clothes on. Tell me when you're done. What are you wearing? Oh, I had some jeans and some socks and slippers because I'm not going outside today. It's snowing and I don't want to go out. I have on a top and a sweater. It's just a t-shirt, like long sleeve t-shirt and a sweater. Okay, good. You feel good in that? Yeah, it's kind of cute. Good. Okay. All right, while you're in the bathroom, why don't you put a little blush on your cheeks, a little mascara on your eyelashes, and some lip gloss on. Can you do that? Okay. Okay, tell me when you're done. Same story. Okay, and then I would have them to put their pajamas in the dirty clothes. Now they've got their bed made, they're put together, their toilet is done, their sink is done. Now they're going to go in the kitchen and they're going to empty the dishwasher. So we're going to go through all the things they didn't do, and they're going to start to feel better. And then we're going to look and see, what did they not do yesterday? Yesterday was weekly home blessing hour. They didn't do it yesterday. Okay, but maybe they want to say, well, yesterday I didn't do anything and I was feeling really bad about myself, so that's my free day. And I'm going to say, no, that's not your free day. That's not the way a free day looks. A free day is not a frump day. A free day is a day where you say, oh, good, I'm rewarded for doing my things. So we're not going to take a free day. That was just a missed day. If you want to still do your weekly home blessing hour, you can do it today. Okay? And then, did you do your planning and desk day? No? Okay, we're going to do that tomorrow. And then you can buy groceries on Friday, and you can do your car and purse day on Friday. So let's write those things down. Those are the things you're going to do. Do you have a menu or an idea of what you're going to fix for the rest of the week? Let's think about it. What do you have in the freezer? I've got some chicken. I've got some hamburger. I've got some frozen taco meat. Okay, good. So let's make 3 different things. How about meatloaf? If that's what you like, they'll tell me what they want to make with it. And they're going to make this with the chicken, and they're going to have tacos on Friday. And so we kind of make a little list of what they're going to eat. So we're just sort of catching up, right? And now for the rest of the day, they're going to do a clutter stop. They're going to do their weekly home blessing hour. It's going to take an hour. They're going to fold those 3 loads of laundry and get that 4th one out and fold it and put that other load of wash in the dryer. And when it comes out, fold it. So you're going to fold 5 loads of laundry today. But guess what? If you've ever timed yourself folding laundry, it takes between 6 and 10 minutes to fold a load of laundry. Not a mountain of laundry, a load. So if there's 3 loads in this little fold more, then you're going to separate it into 3 loads and fold them and put them away. 1 load at a time. 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, the one in the dryer, 40 minutes. And then once that other one dries, another 6 to 10 minutes throughout the day. But we're going to be back on top. That's what you want to do. So that's what I want you to do. I want you to write it down in your planner and follow your planner so that you don't find yourself in the position of saying, oh, Kat, my house is a mess and I don't even know where to start. Always start with your morning routine. Always end with your before bed routine, which includes going to bed on time. One final thing. If you have children that are not sleep trained, that is a huge deficit to you as a parent. It is not good for your children and it is not good for you. Go online. There are loads of information. There is a lot of information out there on sleep training your children. Pick one and follow it. Get a buy-in from your spouse if you have one and do the sleep training. Don't start and stop. You will screw your kids up. You have to be consistent. Once you start, you can't stop. And it's not easy. Nothing worthwhile is easy. But get your children sleep trained. Once your children are sleep trained, your life is going to improve enormously. I can't even tell you how much better it's going to be. I would encourage any of those who have positively and successfully sleep trained your children by being consistent to leave comments below for those of you who need some encouragement. Okay, that's it for today. I hope you have a wonderful day. I hope you keep things written in your planner and you check it off every day. And I hope that you always remember to be beautiful because you are beautiful.